Changing a water pump on a Ford Craftsman. It is this 3100 psi, 2.4 gallons. Served me well. Done maintenance on it. The water pump just went though. I should probably take these off because I'm gonna need those later. So yeah, I'd say first take off any attachments you already have on there. Okay, cool. Got those off. All right, this is what I got. The 42 whatever 420011 axial pump kit. Apparently this is supposed to fit the thing I have, so I'm just gonna open this. It's either a 1/4 inch or a 6. Oh, there's too much wiggle room with that 6. Let's try the 1/4 inch. Oh, yes. I'm gonna go in a crisscross pattern just to make sure I take it off even, and I'm probably gonna put it on the same way. Should come off somehow. Okay. That was pretty easy. All right, I should probably show you guys. So there's this little slot right here, which is what you line this up with. And you kind of just put it on. Boom. I'm gonna take some new nuts and bolts and then put it back in. We should be good. And then I'm gonna just start them in, get them finger tight, and then impact them on. And again, I'm gonna put these in a crisscross pattern, so, or horizontal or whatever. This one, top, down.
Don't wake up. Don't wake up. What we think, we become.
Alrighty, and there you have it. New pump on the Craftsman power washer. All I needed was a, what did I use? A 1/4 inch Allen key thingy, 13 shallow socket, 13 wrench. It wasn't even ratcheting, still got it. This is all under 30 minutes. It's really not that simple, or really not that hard. I didn't even use a YouTube video, I just guessed. It's 4 bolts. Like, it's genuinely just 4 bolts and lining up the key thingamajiggy. So, hope this helps. You got this, go do it on your own. Yeah, quick tip. If you're using quick connects like I do, it makes life so much quicker, easier, and just faster. This is like some plumbing tape. Just wrap it around the threads of what needs to be threaded in. So I do this, and then once you put this in, it should help prevent leaks. Just a little quick tip.